to Laddie Flats, me and Ezra. A little moist out there, but we're gonna make do and shred with the boys. All right. Going on the ride with the boys. Got the GoPro on. Are you in sport mode? These things are fun in the woods. Little jump right there. Boom. Preload jib. Just stand up, Ezra. Keep your momentum. Mind your front brake. Don't use a whole lot of it. Nah. Let's see. Is he hit? Nice. That was easy peasy. Some cars coming up, buddy. Pull off to the side, Ezra. Yeah, that should make it. Too bad yourself. You too, man. Got him all hooked up on the Cena for the first time.
All right. It's a game changer.
Yeah, he's ripping it. I would turn around. What's up? Well, then homie was probably right. Yeah, but I guess, yeah, if you're going too fast, your eyes will start watering. Little S turns. Break with the boys. I'll go find a nice little viewpoint somewhere to. How's your battery look? How we're going for? Oh, it's not too bad once you get in here. I don't know about that, huh? Alright, roadblock. I mean, how long? Oh, it's pretty big. Which way? Steep little guy. Got it. Does your bike have a crash setting? Is it die once it's dead? You have to move the key. Let's see. Does it go? If we're ripped down the road, open her up a little bit. That thing's only geared for low speed. It does like 45. You want to open it up a little bit. See what she's really got. Yeah, she moves. She moves. This thing rips. I mean, I was doing 70 miles an hour down that straightaway. She fucking boots. She scoots. What a unit! I mean, yeah, I might have grabbed a couple gears.